how to turn off in-app live notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off in-app live notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and here in the top corner you will find this three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and now scroll down. Here you will find push notifications. Click on it, this one, push notifications. Click on it and then click in-app notifications, and here we'll find live. Just click on it, turn it off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.